Hey there YouTubers, this video is going to show you how to modify your WinGun or Wesson Airsoft Revolver so that the FPS can be brought down to whatever you need so that you can use it at your airsoft fields. I would not recommend doing this unless if you can borrow a friend's chrono or you have your own chrono, because it's a lot of trial and error. So first thing you're going to need to do is take off the plastic grip. Alright. I'm going to try and face it towards the camera for every step as much as possible. Just unclip that. See these? There's two on each side. You want to just try and gently, I'll do it this way. This part's a little tougher. I almost got it. There we go. Let's get those off. See, now there's 4 screws. You want to take a Phillips screwdriver and take those out. It's really not that complicated, this modification. Okay, the bolts are finally out. Okay, you can put that aside. See, this is what it looks like now. Don't be alarmed, you don't need to take everything out. Basically all you need access to is this, that block there. I've done this before already, so that's why it's already shaved down. Like, you gotta file down that side of the block, not the side with the hole, the side that has no hole in it. You file that down. I did it by hand. And if you file off too much, the FPS will be too low, or the gun won't even shoot if you have it super low. Then you'll have to put some washers on there. See, I've already put one washer on because I actually filed off too much. That washer, the bigger one, was already on there. And this will help bring the FPS back up to what you need. Alright. So you just need to remove this unit here with the cocking lever. It's very simple, you just pull it right out. Put the spring back on. Line it up with the hole. Push it through. Make sure that the black tip is on that side of the cocking lever. The tip. See, the cocking lever controls this. You want it like that. Oh, dang it. Well, anyway, I'll put it back together on camera. Make sure the washers are on this side of that block, or else you won't be able to squeeze this in. You might have a hard time squeezing this in. Just take your time if you're doing it for the first time. You get to know these revolvers. Let me tell you that. Before you tighten up those screws all the way and put your hand grip back on, make sure it's cocking properly. Whatever. Anyway. So yeah, but this is the way you should be using it anyway. The gun is more accurate when you're using the cocking lever, and you only have 6 shots, so you gotta make all the shots count. Alright, so this one's good. Once I get the pistol grip back on, I'll show you how to check if your revolver's cycling very well. how they check the real ones anyway. Slide that back on, clips right back up, and then this, you just clamp it over. That slides back. Okay, here's how you test if your revolver is cycling properly. Pretty sure this applies for airsoft revolvers. I'm not sure. My brother's isn't nearly as accurate, but with real revolvers, they are not nearly as accurate unless if they're cycling precisely. You don't want any play, so I'll show you how. Pull the cocking lever back. Keep the trigger pulled as you put the cocking lever back. Now you can test if there's any play. There's zero play in this revolver. It's good. There should be zero play if you want a properly cycling revolver. It has to do with the round lining up perfectly to be fired. My brother's revolver has a lot of play, and that's not a good thing. Mine has a little bit of play. When you pull it back like this, it has none. If you just play with it like that, there's a little bit. That's normal. You don't have to worry about that. So there you go, a little tip. Nothing too big to worry about though. Hopefully this video helped you out with your modification, and good luck gunslinging on the airsoft field.